In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can make an animated GIF in Canva. So inside of Canva, you can search templates for a GIF because there are several ready-made templates for you. But for this tutorial, I'm going to create a custom size and I'm going to create 500 by 500. Now we create a new design and I'm going to create a text GIF. So let's first start by selecting this one and changing the background color to maybe this peach. And then I'm going to add a text, which you can use ready-made text combinations here, or you can choose for yourself. And then when you have that one selected, you can choose your font you're using. So just click here and then you can choose at the left. And maybe we're going to go with this one or this one. You can also change the size of your text, maybe this or maybe 120. And then choose position. You can arrange it in the middle and the center. And I also want this to be white. And now because I'm also going to make it bigger because it's a little bit too small. Maybe 150. Now I have to change my position again to the middle. Because I'm going to make a text animation, you can either add a new page because each page in your design here will become a frame in your GIF. But because I'm making a text animation, the only thing I have to change is the text and the background. So I'm going to create a duplicate and a duplicate because I have 3 texts I'm going to use. Change this one and then also change the background. Something like this. And now I'm going to give each one of these an animation. So select the text and then go to animate. And then you have suggest text animations or general animations you can use. I'm going to go with the text animation. And you can also, if you have a pro account, increase or decrease the intensity, but you can choose to animate on enter, exit, or both. I'm going to choose this one and this one. Something like that. And if you want to check your entire animation, you can click on preview here on top. And I can already tell that it's too long. So when you select your first page, you can change your duration here on top. Let's make it 2.5 seconds. And then you can also say to apply it to all your pages. So that's nice. So let's check it again. And when you're happy with your design, you can click on share. And here we're going to choose download. And in download, it suggests a video, but you can also choose a GIF. Then the size here will be set to your size that you chose. All the pages, and then you click download. And that's how you can create a GIF in Canva absolutely for free. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.